Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Spencer Great, and I have a Bluetooth Fidget spinner. Now, I'm kind of new to the Fidget spinner hype, and I threw an order in. I got a few Fidget spinner toys. So I'm going to show you guys how the Bluetooth Fidget spinner works. First, go to your Bluetooth settings. Make sure your Bluetooth is on, and the Fidget spinner comes with just this white thing. Spins pretty well. All right, and it also comes with a little charger as well. See that well? All right, so we're going to hit this little switch on the side here, and you can hear it come on. Lights up. Now we go back to the Bluetooth and we see if we can find it. So it comes up as Bluetooth speaker. Find it. It's searching. It is connected. Then we go to our music and let's see if it works. It does. Now also you see your battery power more towards the top of the screen over here. Let me see if I can focus it right there. The battery power to the Bluetooth is right there. So you can see how much battery power you got left on your Bluetooth Fidget spinner. So let's see how it spins with the music. Let's turn it up. It spins pretty well. Alright, and then when you want to turn it off, I'm guessing you just stop it, hit that switch right here, turns off, and connects to the charger, like that. And you just plug it into any USB plug, socket or outlet, and you're charging. So there goes this Bluetooth Fidget spinner. Hope you enjoyed.